We want to wish all y'all good luck. We know preseason starts, and everybody's 0-0s again. So me and my brother's team, we play tomorrow. So best of luck with that.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's happening, Sleepyheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, you already know. Before we get this video started, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today is August the 8th. We did have some crazy events. So early this morning, I did go for the Nigel Sylvester collaboration, and I couldn't get through. Kept getting the error. Check out that screenshot right there. Yep, went ahead and took that big L. Also, we got a little scared today. USA men's basketball almost fell to Serbia, but they did come back thanks to Stephen Curry in the fourth to lead the USA back. And so now we move on to this video. We got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes, sir.
That
Weekly heat.
These are the shoes that are coming out from August 11th through August 17th. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on August the 12th, we do have the Air Jordan 9 Golf UNC colorway. Asking price for those are going for $230. We all know Michael Jordan have a passion for the golf. He was introduced to that, back in the day when he was at Chapel Hill from one of his buddies who was on the golf team. Michael been always into golf. And these shoes here, what makes them stand out so much is that dark, right, powder blue and that pearl blue, how they combine those colorways together. I'm really liking what Jordan Brand did here, right? I'm liking what they did to the 360-degree mud guard, right? And that just for, just being out there on the golf course, right? I like how they looked at that classy suede look they took with this shoe, man. This shoe, that asking price, $230, that's pretty steep. I can see this shoe, yeah, that's pretty, a golf shoe, right? $260, I can see that shoe sitting, but I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those because I'm a fan of the nines, right? Hey, check out that short right there, right? But right, but check out that short there. But overall, I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you?
Yes, sir. So I'll be rocking these as well. I'm here in North Carolina, so I am a big fan of the UNC colorway. You can't go wrong. This is a very clean shoe. If I was out on the golf course, I'll definitely be rocking these all white with the UNC blue. Can't go wrong. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the next shoe, on August 17th, we do have the Jordan 11 Low Diffuse Blue. It's coming out at full family sizes. The price point for men's is $190. Price for GS size is $150. Price for little kids is $80. Toddlers and infant is $60. I do think this is a nice shoe for the summer. Overall, a very clean shoe. Predominantly, the shoe is white. We do have that patent leather that we're accustomed to seeing on these lows. We do have the white midsole that comes across. And we do have this extra crispy clear bottom, which a lot of people were saying they was a fan of this. I know people don't usually like the blue tint on the bottoms, and these have a clear outsole, which a lot of people were liking this. I kind of wish this blue was a little bit darker. When they first came out, I was planning to cop these automatically because they were rumored to say for Midnight Navy, but the Midnight Navy is actually on the Jumpman, so the blue is a little bit lighter, kind of like a diffuse blue. And I'm kind of on the fence of copping these for myself because I already have two other shoes that are diffuse blue, these Jordan 13s and these Jordan 13s as well. Both these are diffuse blue. So again, I'm on the fence about copping these, but I do rock Jordan 11 lows normally, and I'm a big fan of the lows. They're very comfortable shoe after you break them in, and I can wear those all day long, so I don't have a problem with these. But I think I might have to wait and look at these in hand. It should be an easy cop because right now resale prices are going for retail prices, so resellers are not going to be grabbing these up, so it should be very easy cop for me and you to get. So let us know down in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? But I am rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
I'm a fan of the 11s as well. Where I'm at with it is like you said, I wish that blue was a lot darker, right? I think it'll really bring out that shoe even more. Because diffuse blue, I don't know what Jordan Brand was thinking with that, right? Because that is a light colored blue to where I think it actually takes away from how good that shoe, could be, right? So Jordan Brand, hey, you may want to look at, in the future, hey, when you say blue, midnight blue, make sure it's midnight blue, right?
Yes, sir.
And get away from that diffuse blue, right? But drop us a comment down below. But saying that, I am a fan of the 11s. I will be rocking those. I just wish that blue was a little bit darker.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.